Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 3 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm directly from the watch. So you won't do this in the app. All you need to do is go through the settings on the watch. This has been useful for me if I was laying in bed and I realized I didn't have an alarm for the next day, but I didn't want to open my phone. I could quickly just go through my watch and set the alarm and then safely wake up in the morning. So to begin setting the alarm, we just need to do a long press on the watch face, then scroll down until we see clocks. From there, we scroll all the way down and go to alarms. In alarms, we can add a new one. So in here, we can set the time for it to go off. I'll do 06 a.m., select the A, and then I can select how often this repeats. And then you can also select a label for it if you want to remember which one this is. So you don't need to save or anything. All you need to do is swipe from the left to the right, and then ensure that this green right here is on the switch, showing that it is on. And now to delete that alarm, just simply select the alarm and then scroll down to the bottom and go to remove. Now you have no alarms. So that's how you set an alarm on your Garmin Vivoactive 3. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivoactive 3 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.